morning friends, welcome to Nithya's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri Rice Kheer. It's a very delicious sweet. Come, let's do it. Kashmiri Rice Kheer. I am going to boil half liter of milk. Let the milk boil. Boiling. To make Kashmiri Rice Kheer, we have to use the basmati rice. I just cooked the basmati rice. 90 to 95% it should be cooked. Remaining 5% it will cook in the milk. Better use basmati rice. If you don't have, you can use jeera samba because the flavor, the taste will be more in the basmati rice. I just cooked the rice and I kept it. Milk is boiling. After the milk got boiled, we are going to add this. It's boiling. I'm going to add the cooked basmati rice, 1 cup, into this. Cook well in the open flame for 5 to 10 minutes till the rice becomes mushy and soft. Cook this mixture in open flame without closing the lid. To this I am going to add the saffron that gives natural color and taste. This is why this is called Kashmiri Rice Kheer. You can see the natural color of yellowness from the saffron. If you don't have, you can even add the kesari color little. But this gives real richness and taste and appearance. So let this cook mixture for 10 minutes. Use the non-stick bottom pan and don't forget to stir in between because it may get burnt. And you just scrape out all the malai just formed on the sides and keep stirring every minute and let this mixture cook more than 10 to 15 minutes. You can see that the milk has reduced into half and the rice cooked very well. Now we are going to add the condensed milk to give more thickness. 3 tablespoons. If you are adding condensed milk, you can reduce the sugar content because condensed milk gives rich taste to this kheer. Cook this for 5 minutes. Our ghee becomes very thick. Don't forget to scrape out the malai that stick around the vessel. You can see the texture of the rice. Now I am going to add the sugar. Sugar depends on your sweetness. You can check and you can add little or less. It is not necessarily, you don't need to know the measurement. Just you can check the sweetness. If it is less, you can add little. But don't add too much at the starting because over sweetie you can't drink more. You can taste and you can add. And boil this for another 5 minutes in the open flame. Everything we have to do without closing the lid. Don't forget to stir in between always, because if milk gets burnt, it gives horrible smell. So don't leave this in the stove. Stay near it and keep stirring for another 5 minutes. Kashmiri rice kheer is ready. Now turn off the flame and transfer. Now we are going to garnish it with badam, raisins and cashews. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and add the chopped cashews. Roast this in the slow flame. Become brown. I'm going to add the raisins. Raisins got puffed up. I'm going to add this to the rice kheer. Mix well. To this, I am going to add the finely chopped badam. It is very rich and delicious dessert, and it is same like payasam, so it is not that hard. It's very easy and tasty, and it is also different. Delicious Kashmiri rice kheer is ready. Friends, try to use the basmati rice and saffron. You'll get the real taste. It's easy to make. Try it, friends. Thank you.